I made $3,800 from Facebook just by posting other people's pictures. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact strategy that I use, the place where I get my pictures from, the site that I use to get my pictures, how I write my everything that I do. I'm going to be showing you the exact strategy that I use to make up to $3,800 from Facebook just by posting pictures that are not even mine. So without wasting time, I don't want to waste much of your time. For those I will be saying, is she wasting our time? What is she saying? So I'll just go over to my payout. So I'll just come over here and click on my professional dashboard. So I'm on my Facebook right now. I'm going to click on my professional dashboard. Once I click on my professional dashboard, if you see that 20 in the last 28 days I've gotten about 17 million views from my Facebook. You know, that's huge. Then we'll go over to the payout. Once you click on the payout, you see that for this month I've already been paid for this month, so the money is no longer here. So you click on details. Once I click on my details, so I'm just going to start from the down part. So the first payment I received from Facebook was October. So it was supposed to be September, but I was not able to meet up with the threshold, so they added the money to the other months. So the first money was $15. So the second one was $348. So when they added everything together, it was $363. So the second one, which was December, it was $968.31. I don't just want to be adding the cents. I want this video to be fast. Then the other month was $800. The next month was $197. The other month was $159. The other month was $288. The other month was $185. The other month was $124, $293, $254. Then this month was 202 or $202. So this is my payout account. For those that will be thinking, is she lying? Then I'm going to go over to my page. I'm going to go over to my page so that you see what I am actually posting. So see what I am posting. They are just recipes. They are just recipes. So this is my Facebook page. They are just recipes. For those I'll be seeing, what is she posting? So they are just recipes, just pictures. I hardly post videos. So this is what I do, and I've also been able to, with this same strategy, with this same method, this is my other account. I've also been able to monetize my other account. I created another account for this same thing. I've been able to monetize it within 3 months. I monetized this account within 3 months. So I also want to show you the professional dashboard. You can see in the last 28 days it has gotten about 10 million views. Then this is the payout, or this is the earning for the month. You can see in the last 28 they just monetized this account this month, I think 2nd of September. So we are still, today is September 20 today is September 23rd, and you can already see that I've made about $136 already. So without wasting time, I'm going to show you the exact thing that I do that make me get this amount of view and also make this amount of money. So you are going to go to your Play Store. If you don't have Pinterest already, you're going to go over to your Pinterest, to your Play Store or your App Store. If you are using an iPhone, then you download Pinterest. So once you finish downloading Pinterest, you are just going to go over to Pinterest, then you sign up with Pinterest. So once you sign up with Pinterest, the next thing you are going to do, let's say, so you are going to come over here, and so for me, I'm posting recipes. You can decide to go into any niche of your choice depending on what you feel like you want to go into. So you can decide to go into any niche of your choice. For me, I'm a baker, so I'm into recipes. So what you are going to do is to come over here and search for the recipe that you are looking for. Let's say I want to use this eggless vanilla cake. So I'll just search for the picture. The best picture for eggless vanilla cake is what I will look for. Then let's say I want to go for this. I'll just click on this. I'll just click on this three icon. Then I'll click on download. So eggless vanilla cake. Then the next thing you are going to do, you're going to install CapCut. You are going to install ChatGPT, not CapCut. You are going to install ChatGPT and you are going to go over to ChatGPT. Once you click on ChatGPT, so you remember the recipe that we just downloaded is called eggless vanilla cake. So once you get to ChatGPT, you're just going to tell ChatGPT eggless vanilla cake recipe, 2 layers with frosting. So whether you're a baker or not, you can open a Facebook account for this and start posting recipes. You don't need to show your face. I've been able to monetize a lot of accounts using this method, whether you are a baker or not. So Facebook is currently pushing this niche. They are currently pushing this niche. So it will be more easier for you to get views and followers. So once you are done with that, the next thing you are going to do is to you're just going to copy this. You click on copy. Once you finish copy, once you are done with copying the write up, you just go back to Facebook. Let's say we want to use this account, then you just come here, click on the normal way you post on your Facebook, then you click on this side. Then the next thing you will do is to paste that recipe. Then you are going to delete. There are some things that are not really relevant here, like all this, the last part. You're just going to come over here and delete them. So you're just going to delete this. So you're just going to delete this. Then those places that you need to adjust, you just adjust them. Then like these 2 layers with frosting, you don't need to add that to the recipe. You just wanted AI to know exactly what it's going to give you. So you're just going to cancel that. So like I said, you don't need to be a baker before you can go into this niche. This niche is growing very fast on Facebook. So then you are just going to draw this to the top so that you can remove those things that are not necessary on top of it. So you just remove those things that are not necessary. Just remove those things that are not necessary. Then the next thing you will do is just to click on next. So you click on next and click on not now. Then another thing that I do is, let's say you want to schedule this post. You can decide to schedule posts. You can decide to post up to 6 recipes a day. Sometimes I post 6 recipes. Let's say you will not be available to be posting them one by one. You can just come over here and click on scheduling options. You click on scheduling option, you click on schedule for later. If you want to post it later, then the time you want to post it, let's say you want to post it tomorrow, you click on 24th or 23rd. Let's say I want to post it 24th. So I will just click on that date, then click on OK. So for me, I want to post it now. If you want to post it now, just click on post now. Then the next thing you will do is to click on post. So once you post it, you are just going to give it some few time to post. So you see it has posted on my Facebook page. So once you go over to your Facebook page, you are going to see it. So this is my other account that I said I just monetized. So this is my other account I said I just monetized. So you can see it. So this is how you do it. This is how you can post other people's recipe. And you are not going to get violations because they are pictures. You are not going to get violations. So this is it. So you can see how it is. So I'm just going to show you one of the pictures and how much they have. This, like I said, this is a new page that I just monetized. So like this one, you can see that this one has made 33 cents today. So I'm just going to show you some others and how much that they have made for this new page. I don't just want to go over to the other page. So for this, you can see this chocolate sheet cake. So it has gotten about 644 likes. When you click on the inside, you see that it has made about $6. It has made about $6. You can see that. So this is just it. This is just basically what you are going to be doing. It's very easy. So you can see this one. This one has made. I posted this one just about 2 days ago. It has made about $3. There are some that have made up to $10. Let me just see if I can scroll down. Let me just see if I can scroll down and show you some that have made up to $10, $14. There was even a time when Facebook was still paying Nigerians well for this new content monetization. I think I made up to $100 for one picture. I cannot scroll down because that one is far. It was around December. So I'm just looking for the one that made about, okay, this one is $7. Just trying to see if I can see the one that made, so that you know that I'm not kidding, I'm not joking. So this one made about $10. So you can see. So this is how you can post other people's pictures and make good money from it. So that's it for this. So if you have any question or you have any video that you want me to record for you, just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do that. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. Please hit the subscribe button. So I'm going to see you in my next video.